In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage users and permissions in HubSpot. We're going to walk through the full process of adding a new user and setting the right level of access so you can make sure each person on your team has the permissions they need without giving them more access than necessary. To begin, open HubSpot and make sure you're signed into the correct account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look to the top navigation area and click on Settings. This is where HubSpot stores your account-wide controls, including user management, permissions, and team-related options. After the settings page loads, find and click on Users and Teams. This section is where you can view existing users, manage their access, and invite new people into your portal. Next, click Add Users. If prompted with options, choose Create New. This starts the process of inviting a brand new user into your HubSpot account. You'll now be asked to enter the user's email address. If you're adding more than one person at the same time, you can enter multiple email addresses or use the import users option to upload a CSV file instead. This can be especially helpful if you're onboarding several team members at once. Once the email information is entered, click Next. On the next screen, select a seat type. This determines the kind of access and licensing the new user will have in HubSpot. It's a good idea to choose the seat type carefully based on the person's role, since it can affect what tools they can use. After making your selection, click Next again. Now you'll reach the Choose How to Set Access screen. This is the key part of the setup process because this is where you define permissions for the new user. You can assign access based on what the person actually needs to do in the platform. Click the Choose Permissions dropdown to expand the available options. From there, toggle the switches for each HubSpot hub as needed. For example, you may want someone to have access to marketing tools but not account settings, or sales features without administrative control. Taking a moment here to review each permission carefully helps keep your portal secure and organized. Once the permissions are set the way you want, click Create User. HubSpot will then generate the user invitation and apply the access settings you selected. To finish, click Done. And that's it. You've successfully added a new user in HubSpot and assigned their permissions. If you need to make changes later, you can always return to the Users and Teams section and update access as your team grows or responsibilities change.